Today I'm sharing a quick and easy side dish for sautéed cabbage. I love it because it cooks really fast in your skillet, the edges get caramelized, and I'm going to share with you my secret ingredient to make cabbage taste even better. Let's get to it. Place a large pan over medium heat, add a little olive oil and minced garlic. You want to sauté this for a minute or so until you start to smell that fragrance of toasty garlic. It doesn't take long. Now once that's going, add in your cabbage and toss to coat with the olive oil and the garlic. You'll notice that this cabbage is finely shredded. It's so that it cooks down quickly. The larger the pieces, the longer it's gonna take to cook. Now I like to sauté it for a few minutes before I add salt and pepper. After we season the cabbage, we're gonna cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes or until the shreds are tender and you'll see that some of them have that golden brown edge. This is looking perfect. As you can see, steam's coming from the pan. Some of the pieces have that caramelized color. And now we're going to add our secret ingredient, a little white wine vinegar. The vinegar adds depth of flavor, but don't worry, you're not going to taste it. It cooks right into the cabbage. If you don't have white wine vinegar, you could also use regular rice vinegar, white vinegar, or apple cider vinegar. We're gonna cook this down for another minute or so, and now it's ready to go. Delicious. Make sure to grab the ingredients right below this video. See you guys next time.